Hello, Upsala area schools, and welcome to your introduction to the nice, shiny, and new iPevo cams. They just arrived. We are going to get started with the unboxing and how to set them up on your MacBook. So first, I'm going to open it up, and you will see it comes in a sleeve with a band on there. I'm just going to remove the band nice and gently. You're welcome to wear it if you would prefer. This is your brief directions as to how to set up. They have as simple as 4 steps laid out nice and easy. And there is a piece of foam that is protecting your iPevo cam. Now they have already been labeled for you in this instance, but this is all the document camera is. So it's pretty nice and easy. Now if you're looking at it, the sticker is going to be on the body of the camera part. There is, as you see here, the little yellow button and the iPevo word. That is the part where you're going to, as it says here, lift. And then as you lift, the head pops up. Underneath you will see the camera, but then this base here also lifts and retracts so that you can position it accordingly. On the back is our USB, so we're going to just dismantle that and open it up. Only need as much length as necessary. And in perfect theory, all you have to do then following is plug your USB in to either your dongle or your laptop directly, and we will get started on the next part. So I am going to type in iPevo space driver, D-R-I-V-E-R, in my Google search tab, and it's going to pop up with software iPevo. That is the link we're going to want to choose. Click on it, and it might take it a second or two to pop up, but this is going to bring us to what's called the driver downloads for our iPevo cams. Now when it pops up, there's a number of options. We are going to choose iPevo Visualizer. We're going to hit the download now, go to Mac OS X, that's our computer, and we're going to hit the next. And it's going to ask us to open up the App Store, and that is fine. So go ahead and click the App Store. On here, it's going to pop up and it's going to say, hey, do you want to download? Do you want to open it if you've already downloaded it? Or it might ask you for an iTunes account. If you don't have one, you can create one using your school account. Say create iTunes account, follow it, and carry on. I'm going to hit the open button here, and that's going to open the visualizer software brought by iPevo. This software is pretty handy and convenient. See, there's my fingers. It's already showing the webcam. And on this, if you have, and take a moment to look at the top corners, it gives you the tour. I have some options up there. Feel free to play with it and just get oriented with this system. It is pretty powerful and pretty handy. So I'm in the present mode right now, and it's doing just that, presenting the paperwork. So I'm going to take a look, and I'm going to look at our useful tips. As I said, there's 4 of them, so it's pretty standard. But if you look, it can get pretty close, and it's a very nice, clear image. I apologize, my table is a little shaky right now. But getting started, okay, use the lift button. Remember how we talked about that? Oh, unwind it and plug into your USB. Press the flip button to turn your dock cam into a webcam for video chat. What? Let's test that out. So I'm gonna, what? Okay, that's the flip button. Now I'm upside down and around. So why is this gonna be useful, you ask? Well, let's test this out. Let me show you. I'm gonna lift my document camera up. Uh-oh, upside down right now. Here, hi. Let's turn this around one more time, and then, hey, look at that. Look at that handsome mug. Now I know this audio isn't lining up because my microphone didn't actually record what I was saying to earlier, but the flip feature is really cool, really powerful, and it does work in Google Meets as well if you are recording information. So let's now take a look at this and using it in Google Meet. I'm going to sign into meet.google. There's a good access account. And from here, hey, look at that. USB camera. It's already, I detected it as iPevo cam. But if you look at that text, it is backwards. That is okay. This is visualization for you, not what the kids see. When the kids are actually showing, they actually see it normal. So it's going to look a little disorienting for you right away, but this is okay. This will happen. Now, say you have something you want to show, you can use this as a straight webcam. Hi, again, I'm actually recording this after the fact, but I'm showcasing using things on the whiteboard, and oh, hey, here's a sheet of paper. Let's take a look at that. Use my flip button, and now you can do it. You don't even need to hit the Present Now button in this regards if you are using the webcam directly. Now, if you still have actual web pages for the kids to see, that's when you will need to use the Present Now.